Takbo! Kaya tutulong sa akin. Kaya mag-ilong. Narinig yata.
Taktal.
Sino sila? Sino sila? Yoko. Matinik. Taklolo! Tulungan niyo ako! Nakakatakot dito. May nagmumulto ah.
Ulit mo na ang lubi.
Yoko. Nakakatakot. Matinik.
Hello.
Ano po yun?
Cut the rope.
I'm sorry, I can't. It's so dirty downstairs.
Tatlo. Stop. Sobrang ano isa.
Moral of the story is okay, the first one was basically Brother Edwin. So it tells a story about yung faith ng sa road. So when yung nagano nga, the Lord speaks to you sometimes, so and sometimes you feel that you don't trust yung kay Lord, and then basically yung faith mo yung sinabi ni brother. So before makita mo yung isang bagay, dapat you maniwala ka. And then the second part is I was a bit late. the story about yung apple is basically the communication. So when people don't understand, like yung from the Franciscan and this Dominican, they don't understand. So in order for us, the basic fundamentals of is communication, through our prayer and communication. Kahit tayo, di ba, we talk to each other. So what do we want to impart to us? Do we want to achieve is basically through prayer, communication is the basic essence of everything we do is communication. Waki.